Hey guys, Jarod down here with Redwater Dodge, home of the Rig Ready Rams, Rig Ready Used and Rig Ready Approved. And today we're going to take a walk around again on this beautiful brand new 2026 Ram 2500 Tradesman, guys. So two-tone, comes in that white and chrome. You're going to have adaptive cruise control in the front, block heater, as well as your tow hooks there. 6.4-liter gas engine. You can see your chrome wheels that come with it. Tow mirrors here for you guys. Into your passenger side here, so full vinyl flooring and leather seats with the bench makes it nice and easy to keep clean for you guys. Back seat here, so you can see tons and tons of leg room for you guys. You got a little bit of storage there, as well as you can lift up these seats and get a ton of room down here for whatever you might need to put down there. Coming on around back, so you can see trailer tow there. Backup camera already installed for you. You're going to have bed power and bed hooks here, so you are set up to work from day one. Coming around our driver's side here is where you'll find your fuel tank. Into the rear on this angle, guys, so you can see power windows all throughout the back for you. And into your driver's seat, where you can see you're going to have your column shifter, nice display. You're also going to have your leather wrapped steering wheel, power mirrors, locks, all that good stuff. If this truck interests you guys, give us a call, 780-942-3629.